In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use your JAMB calculator. Now, many of us don't know that there is a calculator in your system, and you have to make use of it, especially those of you who will be solving questions that involves calculation. So normally, when you get into the hall, you input your number, the number that starts with 2025, blah, 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 blah. Then you get started in your exam, you log in. And when you log in, it is going to open up like this for you. And with that, you can start writing.
Now when it opens up, you choose any subject of your choice.
Now, when it opens up and you're solving a question that involves the use of calculator, what do? It is very simple. Now, all you need to do is simply go up. You will see when you go up, you're going to see logout, you're going to see calculator, bookmark, and other things that you may not be needing. So simply click on the calculator. When you click on the calculator, it's going to open up like this. Now you can see your calculator 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can also see your square root. But however, this calculator is limited. The only thing you can do with this calculator is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These are the only things you can do with this calculator. Outside this, there is nothing else you can do, including your square root. But if you want to do square root, you're going to first of all click on the number before you click on the square root. So you have 3. You can see it. Click on the number. Click on the number. Here is delete. If you want to delete whatever you want to delete, you delete it here. So click on the number 16, and then it's going to give you. So that is the calculator in JAMB. However, if you want to solve questions that involve sine and cosine, you will not find it available here. So in response to that, I'm going to make a video, or if you want, I'm going to make a video on how to solve questions that involve sine and cosine, especially for my science people who will be solving physics or mathematics with sine and cosine. So as soon as you are done, you simply do what? Go back to close. Please be careful about this. As soon as you are done, you simply go back to close here and click on it. You are good to go. You can continue with your question. That's the JAMB calculator. Success in your exam. Bye.